I'm going to say shame on you, Museveni, you devil, and your son. Shame on you. You've gone so low to the extent of arresting a person that you know very well is the head of security of the opposition leader, aka KYAGULANYI SENTAMU Robert. And you recorded yourselves in uniform torturing him. As innocent as he is, you guys were torturing him, recording yourselves in uniform with the Ugandan flag on the side. Now, what does this send? This is sending you the UPDF army guys that are patriotic Ugandans that have no word, that think you have no say. I understand they've infiltrated you guys, but to beyond normal, and most of you have been replaced or displaced in the army itself. They replaced the Banyarandas with you guys, and they replaced. But you have the power. I don't see any excuses to give. I don't see no excuses for you guys, the patriotic Ugandans in the UPDF. I don't see no excuses for you guys. You can fight these juntas. You can fight these goons. You can fight these horrible people that are blackmailed, that are tarnishing your name. Because we know there are Ugandans that are still patriotic in that army, in that defense force. It's no longer a defense force for Ugandans, but a defense force for Museveni and his family and friends. I did a video before and talking about these guys torturing people, and while illegally, but wearing our uniform to portray that this is a Ugandan army. It's not a Ugandan army. It's a Museveni and family army, and family and friends. It's no longer a Ugandan army. It's not considered a Ugandan army. And to you guys, patriotic Ugandans, and Ugandans that are born in Uganda, raised in Uganda, with parents, their parents, both Ugandans, shame on you if you are in the UPDF and you see all this impunity being done to Ugandans wearing the uniform that you're wearing, and then you're still keeping quiet about it. You may be scared for your life, but imagine if you spoke up. Imagine if you came together as the UPDF and fought for your rights and fought to rectify the name, the image they are portraying to the world, that you guys are known for being torturers. I mean, for torturing innocent Ugandans. That's what we know you for. That's why now Ugandans are celebrating every time you lose your lives in these other countries that they send you to create war, or to go fight for whatever the reasons they may give you. But now I want to awaken all Ugandans in the UPDF. I'm talking about the patriotic Ugandans, not the Nyarandas, not the Banyarandas they brought from God knows where and put them in the army. Now I'm speaking to the Ugandans in the UPDF, the Ugandans that see this impunity going on, and you feel hurt and deep down inside of your heart. Yeah, I'm talking to you guys. Do not let these cowards give you a name that will be hard to erase. Take for example the fallen soldiers, like what's his name, the guy who died on the plane. I can't even remember because I've not been following politics that much. But anyhow, UPDF army, the people in the UPDF, shame on you for not speaking up. I'm a girl, okay? I'm a girl and I can speak up. So you are men, you need to speak the fuck up. I'm not even playing on this. You are men, you need to speak the fuck up. Because when you speak, we listen. Save our country from this impunity and this shame that has been carrying on for 40 flipping years. 40 years, y'all. We've been going through this. Now you need to save your country as patriotic Ugandans. Thank you.